So you've downloaded the Pink This Machine app from either Google Play or the App Store. Now that it is on your phone, you need to open it up, swipe left, and enter your phone number. Entering your phone number will get you a confirmation code just to make sure that it is in fact you who is using the app and everything. Once you've gotten that confirmation code, you will be taken to our terms of service. Just scroll down to the bottom, make sure that you agree to everything. And then once you've done that, you can tap on the pink box that says I accept, and you will see our welcome screen to set up your account. All that you need to do there is enter your name and email, and once it's saved, you'll go to our home screen here. You'll see a couple different things here. At the top, where my screen says Hi Friend, you will have your own name. It will say Hi, your name. If you tap on that, you will be taken to our in-app menu, where you'll have the option to look at your account or different membership options, all these things that you see here. And to get back out of that, you just tap back on the map that you see on the right behind there. The next box underneath where it has your name is any promotions that we might be running. So if we have a coupon code for a free ride, or if we have a limited time pass, those things will pop up there. The third box down is just a reminder to enable your location services. If you don't have location services on, you will not be able to use it and rent our bikes. The other thing you'll need to have turned on is Bluetooth when you are using our app. Also notice in the lower left-hand corner of the screen the scan button. This is how you scan a bicycle that you'd like to ride. Now to find a bike, we're going to look at this map here. You can zoom in and out with your two fingers in a pinching motion and just kind of see where all the bicycles are. Anything within that pink border is going to be in our service area and available for you to unlock. You can see there are several clustered here at Whittier Square, and we are going to pick one here to scan. Now if you try to scan without enabling your location, again you will be reminded to do so because you won't be able to rent a bike without the location services. If you haven't yet added a credit card, you will also be prompted to do that. And then you can also do that in the app menu. And again, you get to that menu by tapping on your name from the home screen. To scan the bikes, you're going to tap that scan button that's in the lower left corner of your home screen, and then point your phone at the QR codes on the bicycle. They can be found both between the handlebars and underneath the seat on the lock there. Both QR codes are the same, so they will do the same thing. Just pick whichever one you can reach more easily. And then once you've scanned it, you'll see that this pops up in the app. If you are not someone who has already purchased a different kind of membership, you'll just be given the option to unlock like this. This is our minute-by-minute rate, but if you'd like something else, again, you can purchase a membership or a day pass within that menu from the home screen. To move forward like this, though, you're going to tap on this pink box here, and it will unlock the bike for you. Once the bicycle is unlocked, this is the screen that you will see. When you're ready to end your trip, you'll tap on this pink button in the lower right-hand corner that says End Trip, and you'll see the app scanning and making sure everything is as it needs to be. If the bicycle is not locked properly, when you want to end your trip, you'll see this little icon at the end here that is not green like the others. It will pop up just to let you know that you need to double-check how your bike is locked. To lock the bicycle, you're going to take the pink cable and wrap it around whatever you're locking the bike to, a bike rack preferably, and also put the loop at the end of the cable around the lock on the bicycle itself. Once the cable is in place, you're going to squeeze the orange button on the lock in towards the wheel, and then just pull that whole mechanism downwards until the silver bar at the bottom of the lock clicks all the way in place, and you'll hear the bike beep as well. Once the bicycle is locked properly, you can hit that pink Try Again button in the app. You'll see that it reruns all of its checks, all the icons turn green, and you have one more pink button that you need to tap on here. It says Continue to End Trip. From this step, you will be taken to a camera screen. Make sure that you do give the app access to your camera by hitting OK there. And then all you have to do is take a picture of the bicycle locked up. Just point your phone at the bike and then tap that pink camera button in the bottom of the screen. You'll see that the app is now ending the trip, and you have the option to rate us out of 3 stars. And then once you've done that, you can tap this pink arrow button and you're right back at the home screen where you started.